Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Daily, the podcast that helps you speak English with confidence and ease. Today, we're exploring a unique and powerful way to improve your English by talking to yourself. Yes, it might sound funny, but it's one of the best ways to build fluency, confidence, and natural communication skills.
That's right. Many English learners think they need a partner to practice speaking. But the truth is, you can make huge progress just by speaking out loud to yourself. It helps you think in English, expand your vocabulary, and improve your pronunciation, all without pressure or fear of mistakes.
Exactly. When you talk to yourself, you become your own English teacher and student at the same time. You can practice anywhere while cooking, walking, cleaning, or getting ready for work. The more you do it, the faster you'll notice improvements.
Let's break it down step by step. We'll show you practical ways to start self-talking in English, real examples of what to say, and how to make it a daily habit. Step 1. Start simple. Describe what you're doing.
Okay, here's the easiest way to begin. Describe your actions in English. For example, when you wake up, you can say, "I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast. I'm checking my phone."
Yes, it's that simple. You're turning your daily routine into English practice. Don't worry about grammar, just keep speaking naturally. You can even add details. I'm making coffee because I'm still sleepy. Or, I'm choosing what to wear today, maybe a blue shirt.
The goal here is fluency, not perfection. When you do this every day, you start thinking in English instead of translating from your native language.
Step 2. Talk about your plans. The next step is to talk about your plans for the day. For example, today I'm going to the office. I'll study English for 1 hour. I might meet my friend in the evening.
Perfect! You can also use this to practice future tense. For instance, say, "Tomorrow I'll visit my parents. Next week, I'm planning to start exercising." This helps you naturally build your sentence structure and learn tenses while speaking.
Step 3. Express your thoughts and feelings.
Here's where it gets powerful. Start expressing your thoughts and emotions in English. For example, "I feel happy today because the weather is nice. I'm a bit tired, but I'll keep studying. I'm proud of myself for practicing English."
That's such a great point. When you connect your emotions to language, your memory becomes stronger. You're not just repeating words, you're communicating feelings, just like native speakers do.
Step 4. Imagine real-life situations and act them out in English. Let's say you're ordering coffee. You can practice like this. "Hi, can I get a latte, please?"
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
"I'll take it iced, please."
Exactly. You can also imagine other everyday moments, like talking to a coworker, calling customer service, or meeting a friend. Practicing these mini dialogues prepares you for real conversations.
Step 5. Record yourself speaking English. This one's super effective. Record yourself speaking English. At first, it might feel strange, but when you listen back, you'll notice pronunciation issues, filler words, or places you hesitate.
Right. Don't judge yourself. Use it as feedback. The more you record and listen, the more confident you'll become. Over time, your voice will sound clearer, your rhythm smoother, and your sentences more natural.
Step 6. Talk about what you learn. Every time you learn something new, maybe from a YouTube video or podcast, summarize it out loud. For example, "Today I learned 5 new English phrases." Or, "I learned that used to means something I did in the past, but not now."
Yes, this is an amazing way to make new knowledge stick. When you repeat and explain something in your own words, your brain remembers it much better.
Step 7. Motivate yourself in English. Another fun idea, use English for motivation. Every morning, tell yourself something positive, like, "I'm improving every day. I can speak English confidently. I'm proud of my progress."
These little affirmations help you build confidence and a positive mindset towards learning. You'll start believing in your ability to speak fluently.
Step 8. Practice before sleep. Before going to bed, take a few minutes to reflect on your day in English. Say, "Today was a busy day. I learned some new English words. Tomorrow, I'll practice pronunciation."
That's such a great tip. It's like reviewing your entire day while training your brain to think in English. Plus, it helps you end your day positively.
Real example practice.
Let's do a short sample of self-talk that you can repeat after us.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
I'm waking up now.
I feel good today.
I'm going to have breakfast soon.
I'll listen to an English podcast while eating.
I'm learning a little every day.
I can do this.
Perfect. That's how natural English practice sounds. Short, positive, and easy to fit into your daily routine.
Quick tips for success.
Here are a few quick reminders before we wrap up. Speak out loud every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Don't worry about grammar, focus on fluency. Use mirrors or your phone camera to practice speaking confidently. Think in English whenever possible. Enjoy the process. Learning should feel fun, not stressful.
Exactly. Talking to yourself may feel awkward at first, but it's actually a superpower for language learners. Every word you say builds your confidence and brings you closer to fluency.
So today we learned how talking to yourself can help you improve your English faster. You can describe your actions, talk about your plans, express your feelings, and practice real conversations all on your own.
Remember, you don't need perfect grammar or fancy words. You just need consistency and confidence. Every sentence you speak is progress.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English. And tell us in the comments, do you ever talk to yourself in English? What phrases do you use most often?
Thanks for joining us on Speak English Daily, where every episode helps you become a more natural and confident English speaker.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and talk your way to fluency. See you next time.